Ooh, LH120, man. You see it? All black. E350. Take you inside. So there it is. This one is a little bit bigger than the one I had before. You know. Yes, sir. Black and white. You get it? You get it? Right there. You see where he at? Grayson BMW. Look at that. Well, she is clean. You see it. Yes, sir. Y'all get down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about it. LH120, man. You will be seeing more videos of this. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. We'll catch y'all in a little bit.